Beauties, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another skincare product, which name is Cosrx Aloe 54.2 Aqua Up Sunscreen. I recently tried the Cosrx Aloe 54.2 Aqua Up Sunscreen, and it's become a staple in my skincare routine. Infused with 54.2% aloe barbadensis leaf water, it effortlessly recharges moisture, leaving my skin clear and bright. The watery texture is a game changer, lightweight and quick to absorb, with no greasy or sticky residue. Its impressive SPF 50+ PA+ UV protection shields against harmful rays, and the added bonus of soothing sunburn is a lifesaver. The soft, non-greasy finish provides a breathable layer, and the subtle pink tint naturally brightens my skin tone without any white cast. I appreciate its pour evening effect, creating a clean finish. Perfect for those who prefer a non-greasy, non-sticky sunscreen with a natural tint. Ideal for anyone aiming to brighten their skin tone and texture or combat dehydrated and rough skin. Application is a breeze. After your skincare routine, apply evenly to exposed areas. Gently massage for full absorption. Don't forget to reapply every 3 hours for continuous sun protection, especially during extended outdoor activities. Overall, a fantastic addition for sun care and skin brightening. Thanks for watching.